Hey.
Okay, we are smashing bananas, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, it's amazing!
Actually, there should be more ripe to mash it.
Yes.
Ugh,
That's
I'm
all.
killing banana.
She's killing them.
Ah.
That's the banana killer.
Yeah, oh yeah. Because we are making bananas muffin, right?
Yep.
And it's a pretty hard work because bananas are pretty strong. Oh, that's you! Look!
They have to be more ripe.
It's as ripe as she had.
See,
Okay?
See?
So that goes in the
You
flour.
can see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And my new tattoo.
Yeah, and she's even a banana herself.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana killer right now. So we will. I will smash the bananas and then we will eat a lot of cupcakes. Banana cupcakes, actually. So you can stop the video.
Got it. Petra's